The ads, you watch the YouTube flash luxury cars. They make it look easy, don't they? But here's the reality that nobody wants to tell you. SEBI data show that over 91% of individual traders in equity derivatives lose money. In fact, some studies suggest that only about 1 to 3% of day traders achieve consistent long-term profitability. That means for every 10 people who start trading, 9 will fail. And it's not because they are stupid, it's not because they have bad charts or wrong indicators. The reason is much deeper. The primary reason traders fail is not the market, it's themselves. There is reason number one, you are fighting your own brain. In the book Thinking Fast and Slow, Daniel Kahneman explains that we have two systems of thinking. System 1 is fast, emotional, and impulsive. System 2 is slow, logical, and deliberate. After a painful loss, your system 1 hijacks your brain. It whispers, just one more trade. You can fix this. This is called revenge trading. Your brain reacts to financial loss the same way it reacts to physical pain. It demands relief. You are not calculating probability, you are just trying to erase the pain. That is compounded by loss aversion. The pain of losing money feels about double as powerful as pleasure of making it. This makes you do irrational things like holding into a losing trade forever, hoping it will turn around or double down on a bad position to avoid admitting you are wrong. Reason number two, you are playing the losing game with your money. A study of over 25,000 traders found a shocking paradox. About 65% of traders had a win rate, about 50%. They won more trades than they lost. But despite this, 82% of them still lost money overall. Why? Because their winners were small and the losers were huge. This is the math of trading. You can have 70% win rate and still go broke if 30% of your trades are twice as big as your wins. The reason 97% of traders fail is not is their charts are wrong, is this because their risk management was non-existential. Most traders get this backward. They obsess over finding the perfect entry, but they ignore the exit. They don't use stop loss. They risk too much on a single trade. Professional traders survive because they preserve capital first and grow second. Beginner try to grow fast and lose everything. There is reason number three. You don't have a real strategy. You are just gambling. Many beginners enter trades based on gut feelings, social media tips, and random chart patterns. They treat the market as a hobby, and hobbies cost you money. Either that, they suffer from the analyst paralysis, clustering their chart with every indicator known to man. But here's the truth: 75% of trading success comes from mindset, not the strategy. A better strategy won't solve your psychological problem. What works is simple discipline system, a defined entry rule, a stop loss, and a profit target, and then you stick to it. You don't change it after every loss or every win. You treat trading like a business, not like a casino. So here's why do traders fail? They fail because they let their emotion dictate their decision. They fail because they don't respect risk. They fail because they don't have a plan. The top 1% of the traders do the exact opposite. They let winners run and cut losses quickly. They don't trade to be right, they trade to make money. They understand that consistent profitability is not about being right or more often. They understand that it's about managing risk and reward. If you want to succeed, stop trying to predict the market. Start managing your risk, master your emotion, and stick to a plan. That's the only way to beat the odds.